Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Medium account, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you want to delete your Medium account, you can do that. If you go to your profile, which is here, click on that, then click on the settings and then click on the security, and here you can see the last one is delete account. Permanently delete your account and all of your content, so all of your articles will be gone. This means that you deleted your account permanently. But there is another option to deactivate account. So deactivating your account will remove it from Medium within a few minutes. Deactivation will also immediately cancel any subscription for Medium membership and no money will be reimbursed. You can sign back in any time to reactivate your account and restore its content. So this is not permanently, you can decide which option you would like. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.